Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to the Greenote Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Wow, that's an awesome vacuum cleaner with 12,000 Pascal and lightweight vacuum power. 30 minutes runtime and a quad stick vacuum with LED headlight. An handheld vacuum for pet hair and, of course, for the household and our car. Because it's made out of metal. High power, yeah, 140 watt power. The Greenote GSC40 with two motor designed significantly reduce the friction to maintain the peak power, high durability and a longer battery life. Added another motor in the floor brush head to clean seriously, baby. And adjustable suction cordless vacuum. The GSC40 vacuum cleaner with a maximum suction power of 12 kilopascal. That is the best choice for pet hair out there. We can choose suitable suction we need to work with. Equipped with 2200 mAh and this 6-time batteries, we enjoy up to fade-free power that lasts until the job is done, approximately 30 minutes. And ergonomic lightweight design. This vacuum cleaner is only 1.5 kilogram. Adopts ergonomic design. Women, elderly people can also easily carry it and clean the whole house. And with extended 60 cm up to 80 cm telescopic tube, there is no problem with cleaning at high places, for example, and some spiders with it. And a unique low noise design. Excellent noise reduction technology. The volume of the vacuum is low as 70 decibel while working. The child and pet will not be disturbed while resting. Large suction but low noise. Yes, that we deserve it. And it's a 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. GSC40 can help us clean desktop, the garbage, the device dust, the crevice, the hair, pet hair, cat hair, whatever we are going to remove while using this suction cleaner. The floor brush is equipped with 2 large rollers to achieve flexible cleaning from 90 degrees to 270 degrees. After using, it can be easily hang into a wall box, and there it can reload and rest. This is the Greenote Vacuum Cleaner GSC40, handheld, lightweight, super quiet, and good for pet hairs. Oh, that's awesome. Greenote focuses on the field of smart home appliance. They design, test, and manufacture this equipment to ensure the reliability and service life of all products. The GS4 cordless vacuum cleaner combined with the needs of contemporary people with dual suction, dual motors, long battery life, lightweight, low noise, and it's a stick vacuum, handheld vacuum cleaner, good for pet hairs too. If we are looking for a cost-effective cordless vacuum cleaner, it's the best choice for us here. Yes, because it's not so expensive, but it brings a good reliably design and function. Lightweight, low noise, the best choice for pet hair families. Please fully charge the product before using it at the first time, of course. We clean the filter and the floor brush from time to time to prevent the degrees of suction. Greenote provides a HEPA filter replacement, or if we want to extend the using period to 18 months. There you can buy it on Greenote, it's no problem. Soft velvet floor brush, reduce the pet hair with a light and a low noise, clean more conveniently, and a dual suction power. You choose suction freely with a button. 3-layer filtration system, 99% dust filtration on top, and 1 click dumpling. We can free our hands friendly. That's awesome. 140 watt power. 12,000 Pascal suction power, 70 decibel, 50 minutes in speed, 30 minutes in standard time. Only 1.5 kilogram. That's awesome. And it's multifunction. You can use the multifunction tubes to come in nearly every edge of your corners. That's awesome. We store indoors in a dry place out of the reach of children. We don't let children play with their pillions. Surprise children using or maintain their pillions. We use only manufacturer recommended attachment as it, it matches, okay? If you are going to use another, it will not match to the system, okay? We take extra care when cleaning the stairs. We don't like to fall and drop down. We keep the pillions and the accessories away from hard surfaces. We don't block the pillions openings or hinder air flow. We keep opening the free of all objects including dust, lint, clothing and fingers and all parts of the body, of course. We only use the battery and the charger supplied by the manufacturer. We have a long crevice for easy cleaning our furnitures. We have a 2-in-1 crevice. This is also for keyboards on your computer. We have a wall-mounted power adapter. We have a speed control button on the up side. And we can speed control. We have a switch. Push it once, switch on. Push it twice, switch off. And we have a handle with the battery. We have the dust cap and dust cap release button to release easily the dust inside. We have a metal tube locker and a metal tube. That's really reliable. A brush locker and a floor brush. This floor brush, we can remove the roller and then we can clean it. These pillions included the lithium-ion batteries. Do not incinerate batteries or expose to high temperature as they may explode. Charging the battery terminals may cause burns of fire. So don't do that. When the battery pack is not in use, we keep it away from paper clips, coins, keys, nails. But this is standard in electronic ways, okay? This is awesome. We use this device as a stick vacuum cleaner, for example. It's really easy. We make sure that the battery is into the dust cap and the battery ball head inside the dust cap. That's slot rightly, easily. Click in position, job's done, okay? We attach the metal tube to the body, then we're nearly ready. The only thing is we have to attach the brush to another end to the metal tube, and then we press the switch on to work as a stick vacuum cleaner. But there's more. 2-level speed control. It's low power when we press the switch button at the first time. It's high power when we press the speed control button first. Oh yeah. The low power again when we press the speed control button the second time. So we can switch between the turbo and standard way of vacuum cleaning. Then we can use it as a handly cleaner. We insert the accessory to the body. Long crevice or a 2-in-1 crevice, for example, job's done. Then we have a little short handy device to clean in our near. Battery charging, really easy. When the battery power indicator is blinking, it means the vacuum is charging. It will be self-cutting off when the battery is full. So over voltage protection is included, as you can hear. Lower power, blinking, and full means 3 LEDs are green. Then, how we can empty the dust cap? It's really easy. We press the metal tube locker, then we take out the metal. We unlock the dust cap locker, and we empty the dust cap easily into our bin. Oh yeah. We press the battery locker and attach the battery from the dust cap. If we go in the deeper way, we open the dust caps and remove it. We take out the filter case. Then we take out the filter. We wash the filter case and the HEPA filter. But take care. Please dry the HEPA filter and the filter case completely before assembling back again. That costs you, I think, 24 hours. After drying, we assemble the filter to the case again. We put the filter case back to the dust cap. But take care, there are points where we have to slide it into. Assemble the dust cover into the dust cap and job's done. Then we can put all together and have a new, brand new maintenance vacuum cleaner. For example, it's not cleaning very well. We empty the dustbin first. We check the dustbin is correctly fitted. We check the filter correctly. We clean the filter and then we reuse it. And it should be clean as well then. We stop or it won't work. We charge the battery first. We clear the debris from the brush bar. And the battery will not charge. We check the connections. And of course we check the wall socket. The model is a GSC40. It's a cordless vacuum cleaner. The battery comes with 22.2 volt with 2200 milliampere hour. The battery charge output is 26.5 volt, 0.5 ampere. The charging period is approximately 4.5 hours, and the vacuum degree is 6 kilopascal in low speed, 12 kilopascal in high speed mode. The usage time is 30 minutes in low speed and 50 minutes in high speed. But I think it's enough time. The motor powers 140 watt. 140 watt in a so tiny little device is really good, I think. The noise is 70 decibel. The dust cap capacity is 0.5 liter. And the overall is only 1.5 kilogram. This is the really awesome Greenote Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with 12,000 Pascal suction power. It's lightweight vacuum, 30 minutes runtime, quite stick vacuum with LED headlight, and this is really cool to see the dust in front of you. It's a handheld vacuum for pet hair, for your car, and where you like to clean, because it's battery powered, so you can use it where you like. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.